Hello everyone, welcome to my another episode of my video. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe my channel as well. Okay, today I would like to talk about one of the most interesting topic. Nowadays what I noticed, the new folks are trying to challenge the new technical folks by simply saying some technical words which they didn't know where they're supposed to use this kind of word. One of the most common problem that a friend of mine has faced, and he texts me and giving me a call to, if you don't mind, to have a record and distinguish about hotspot and Wi-Fi, because sometimes I'm quite a bit confused with our colleagues to figure out what they mean. That is why I'm here, and today I would like to talk about what is hotspot and what is Wi-Fi. Generally, the hotspot word is coming from telecommunication, or the second place where we can use hotspot is internet service provider companies. When you ask some of the IT member that, do you mind to check the hotspot? If they come from very high education background, especially in information communication technology, they will get confused because they will say that, what do you mean by do you mind to check the hotspot? My computer for some reason doesn't have internet. Let me discuss about what is hotspot and how we distinguish hotspot. Hotspot is generally divided in two categories. Hotspot is divided in two categories. We have a CAN. CAN is a stand for Campus Area Network, and PAN is a stand for Personal Area Network, such as you're using your smartphone as a hotspot. That is a personal area network where you're connecting your phone or your smart devices such as your laptop, your watches, and some other network smart device. You want to give them a temporary internet through your phone hotspot. That is called a personal area network hotspot. The second types of hotspot we call the campus hotspot. Most of the time, the internet service provider or the telecommunication, they are setting some temporary antenna in some projects where that project requires the temporary antenna in order to perform that particular frequency, or in order to perform that particular internet for that particular subject. One of the most recent example, we can say the driverless car, the automation car. These kind of car right now, they are in prototype stage. Before they launch into the road, they want to test it through the 4G or 5G or another types of technology. They just want to see how that types of device perform and how they can accomplish this kind of technology by using the new generation or NR, new radar frequency. So on that situation, we can say that this hotspot is designed only for that particular project, or this hotspot is designed only for that purpose. So that is why if you ask me, do you mind to check the hotspot, I will think that, okay, do you mean that our company has a contract with internet service provider who runs some portable antenna in this building to provide the internet to entire building? That is why sometimes it is very hard to understand what you mean. What is Wi-Fi and why we are using Wi-Fi? Since you already know that when we are working in a company, when you see a device with your antenna, such as I don't have any device with an antenna in here, but yeah, with an antenna, this is called a Wi-Fi devices. I have recently uploaded one of my video, and I have distinguished about types of data communication, and I talk about the types of wireless devices or I have discussed about the types of wireless network devices, I will suggest you, if you would like to learn more about wireless technology, just look at that video. You will get more information. Okay, Wi-Fi is, technically we are using Wi-Fi word when we are setting a Wi-Fi inside the building. Outside the building, most of the time we are using hotspot, such as point-to-point, point-to-multipoint, antenna communication. It is not a wire communication. We can say that if building A and building B has a distance, and meanwhile it's very hard to contact with the government to allow us to run a fiber cable, in this scenario we are setting a hotspot. It's a point-to-point connection, and these two point-to-point connection will deliver as our types of data that I have already discussed with one of my another video. If you don't mind, you can go ahead and watch that video as well. Okay, so Wi-Fi is mostly designed inside the building and hotspot is mostly designed outside the building. And most of the time, of course, most of the time we are using Wi-Fi for home and office as well. That is Wi-Fi. When you have a internet at home and using through your smartphone and does have an antenna, I mean that is a Wi-Fi. At office, we're mostly using Wi-Fi. But hotspot is when you are on the field working on some subjects and you would say that I'm not able to access the internet. That is probably, we are saying that, okay, if that antenna is set up temporarily for that particular project, we will say that, do you mind to check the hotspot? Probably the hotspot have some issue. Okay, I hope the information was very helpful. If you think it was very helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Until next time, stay safe, be brave, and yeah, of course, see you next time.